Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn off ads on your iPhone. Now, I absolutely do not condone turning off ads, as it supports creators on multiple apps, not only TikTok, but Instagram, Twitter. All the apps that display ads on go back to the creators and help them out. So by disabling these ads, you're actually taking away from creators' incomes, which I do not support. However, I am an educational channel, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn off these ads. But once again, I would just like to state that I do not condone turning off these ads. I'm simply just showing you guys how you can if you choose to do so. So before we get into that, if you guys could just drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, it'd really help me out. And this is how you turn on ads. So the first thing you want to do is go over to settings. And then you want to click on screen time and then content and privacy restrictions. Next, you would like to turn on the tab content and privacy restrictions and go down to advertising and click don't allow. And bam, that is it. That is how simple it is to turn off ads. But once again, I do not support this. I'm not a fan of this, as it takes away from creators. But anywho, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace out. See you later.